Hi there, students. Reductive, an adjective. Reductionism, the practice of being reductive, or reductivism. I think both those two things, reductionism and reductivism, are the same. Okay, so if you say that something is reductive, you are thinking about it or presenting it in a very simple way, especially a way that is far too simple. So he gave a reductive stereotype of immigrants. Yeah, he said they were all like this, and that's very reductive. Okay, then we have this reductivism. Okay, this is the practice of thinking about things that are complicated in a simple way, and especially as well a way that is too simple. This idea of reductionism, it's to do with the idea that a complex system is just the sum, the total of all its parts. And if you take a complex system and you cut it into the tiniest individual parts, then that is reductionism or reductivism. I think sometimes that works, but sometimes it doesn't, because I think maybe there is synergy between different parts of a complex system. Okay, he had very reductive ideas of how to treat women. Yeah. Notice as well, I'm a chemist, so to me, reductive talks about reduction, something, a reductive process. Reduction is the opposite of oxidation. Okay. So yeah, gaining electrons, reduction, that's it. Okay, but that's just technical. Let's see. But mostly the word reductive is used in a critical way to say that you are reducing an argument to its most basic terms. You're being very simplistic, and you're not thinking about the real complexities of it. As I said, you can split some things down and make them into little simple bits, but others you can't. So his argument was very reductive. It was very simplistic. He reduced it to something that was so small, yeah, it was so abridged, so reduced, that it missed many of the more subtle ideas. A book where the characters are reductive means that they're very flat characters. They don't have any character. Maybe they're just ambitious and nothing else. Yeah, that would be reductive. A good character in a book has lots of different facets. Okay, so reductive, effectively just reducing. Yeah, but mostly nowadays we're using it critically to say you're looking at this too simplistically. Yeah, you're breaking it down too much, and we can't look at it like that. It's a far too simplistic way. Yeah. If you explain it reductively, people won't get the full meaning of it. I try not to be reductive when I give the meanings of words and examples to go with them. Yeah, because if I'm reductive, you will very soon find a situation where my explanation doesn't work. I have a feeling personally that English grammar, or the English grammar that we teach students, is rather reductive, because the grammar that you end up learning is something that comes from the way people speak. So there are always exceptions to the rules, and that's what makes English grammar, I think, reductive. Okay, so reductionism, taking a complex system and cutting it into the tiniest little bits, which are very simple, and reducing it to the simplest ideas. Yeah, reductivism as well, or reductionism. Okay, so I hope that that has helped you. Yeah, the origin of species, Darwin's origin of species, I think, is far more than just the phrase survival of the fittest. I think survival of the fittest is a very reductive way at looking at what he was writing about. Yeah. Okay, so reductive. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Reductive, reductivism, reductionism.